Good morning, children. This is exercise number 3.3 linear equation. This is the problem number 4. The problem is the taxi charges in a city consists of fixed charges together with the charge for the distance covered. For the distance of 10 kilometers, the charges paid is equal to 105, and for the journey of 15 kilometers, charge paid is equal to 150. What are the fixed charges and charges per kilometer, and how much does a person be charged for traveling 25 kilometers? Okay, now let the fixed, now the person is traveling by taxi in a city, so how he is charging certain amount of certain amount is fixed, and in addition to that fixed amount, according to the kilometers traveled, he has to pay the money. Supposing मतलब क्या है, फिक्स्ड, थोड़ा अमाउंट तो फिक्स्ड है और बाकी सब उसको पे करने का है किलोमीटर के हिसाब से. सो लेट अस टेक दैट लेट द फिक्स्ड अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू x रुपीज़. Okay, charge per kilometer is equal to y rupees, because rest of the amount is paid according to the distance traveled. Okay, the charge for, now the person has traveled 10 kilometers. So 10 kilometer charge per kilometer is equal to y rupees, and charge per 10 kilometers is equal to 10 y rupees. So when he travels 10 kilometers, he had paid an amount of 105 rupees. That means in this 105 rupees fixed amount as well as the charge for 10 kilometers is there. So x fixed amount plus 10y is equal to, this is the first equation. Next, supposing he travels 15 kilometers. 15 kilometers means how much for per kilometer? Y rupees. So for 15 kilometers 15 y rupees. Charge paid is equal to, for traveling 15 kilometers he paid a charge of 155. In this 155 fixed also included and charge of 15 kilometers. So x plus 15y is equal to 155. Second 15y is equal to second equation. So this is our first equation, second equation. Now we have taken the second equation, taking equation 2, and we are taken in the x form. X is equal to 155 minus 15y. Okay, now x plus 10y, for substituting the value of x in equation 1. Okay, we are getting here minus 5y is equal to minus 50, y is equal to 10 rupees. So substituting the value of y in equation 1, equation 1 was equation 3, that is x is equal to 155 minus 15y. So we are getting x is equal to 5. The fixed charges we have taken as x, so 5 rupees, and charge per kilometer is 10 rupees. Okay, this is your fourth problem. Now if you take the fifth problem here, fifth problem is the fraction becomes 9 upon 11. The fraction becomes 9 upon 11. 2 is added both the numerator and denominator. Okay, here numerator and denominator are there. So let the हमको लेने का है, let the n means numerator be x, or let the denominator be y. Okay, now if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, added to, let us n means numerator, it becomes x plus 2. If 2 is added to denominator, 5 plus 2. So if 2 is added to numerator, 2 is added to denominator, then the fraction becomes 9 upon 11. That means x plus 2 upon y plus 2 is equal to 9 upon 11. Now cross multiplication. So 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. So let us bring x to one side. 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. Okay, 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. This is the equation 1. Now if 3 is added to both the next, if 3 added to both numerator and denominator. Okay, now numerator will be x plus 3 and denominator will be y plus 3. So fraction क्या बन जाती है? It becomes 5 upon 6. Again cross multiplication. 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. Okay, 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. 18 goes to this side and 5 will be bringing this side. So 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Okay, this is the second equation. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या है हमारा? 11x माइनस 9y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4 और सेकेंड इक्वेशन इज minus 3. Okay, any equation we want we can bring. So let us take taking equation 2 in x form. Okay, what is equation 2? 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Okay, 6x is equal to minus 3 plus 5y upon 6. Okay, 6x is equal to minus 3y. Now x is equal to minus 3 plus y upon 6. Now substituting value of, this is the equation 3. Equation 3 in equation 1. पहले इक्वेशन को x फॉर्म में लाए, इसीलिए हमको फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में लिखने का 11 minus x 9y is equal to minus 4. 11, what is the value? Minus 3, x value we are substituting. Minus 3 plus 5y upon 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now minus 33 plus this we have to multiply. Okay, 11 into 3 33 plus 11 55 y upon 6 is equal to minus 9y minus 4. Here we will be taking 1. 6 cross multiplication है ये. Okay, 1 into minus 33 plus 55y. Okay, minus 6 into 9y. This and this will be LCM we are taking. Okay, this 4 goes to this side. So 1 multiplied by this will be same. Minus 33 55y minus 54y is equal to minus 24. Minus, this is minus y. This is 55y plus y minus 24. This minus 33 goes to that side plus 33. So y is equal to 9. Okay, now substituting value of y in equation 3. What is equation 3? Equation 3 is x is equal to minus 3 plus 5y upon 6. x is equal to minus 3 plus 5 into 9 upon 6. Don't cancel this and this. Here in between plus sign is there. Minus 3 plus 45 upon 6. X is equal to 42 upon 6. X is equal to 7. So therefore we have taken numerator as numerator is equal to 7, that is x, and denominator is equal to 9. Okay, so fraction क्या होगा? Fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator 7 upon 9. If you want, we can verify. So what is the verification? Okay, now numerator and denominator 7 upon. If 2 is added to numerator, 2 is added to denominator, the fraction becomes 9. 7 plus 2, 9, and 11. Okay, that is the which problem? Fifth problem. Then last problem is there. Sixth problem is 5 years ago, 5 years hence, the age of the Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Here 2 persons are there. So Jacob is there and his son is there. So we'll be taking, let the Jacob's present age is equal to x years. Let the Jacob's son's present age is equal to y years. Okay, now hence 5 years hence means after 5 years. Okay, for abhi we are now 14, after 5 years it will be 19. ऐसे ही after, next step we have to write after 5 years, hence means after, Jacob's age is equal to x plus 5, and after 5 years ditto marks means same is repeated. Jacob's son's age is equal to y plus 5. So what here is the relation? After 5 years, the age of Jacob will be means is equal to 3 times his son. 3 times his son's age. Okay, age of Jacob after 5 years is x plus 5 is 3 times his son is 3 into y plus 5. Okay, now x plus 5 is equal to, multiply करना है, bracket means multiplication, 3 into y 3y और 3 into 5 15. x minus 3y, 3y को ये बाजू लेके आओ, 5 को यहाँ ले, प्लस 3y ये बाजू आए तो माइनस हो जाएगी, इज इक्वल टू 15, 5 वहाँ गए तो माइनस 5, तो x माइनस 3y is equal to 10. This is the equation 1. Okay, now we can take now second equation. Now second equation we have. Second क्या बोल रहे थे? 5 years ago. 5 years ago मतलब पीछे जा रहे हैं. So 5 years ago Jacob's age is equal to x minus 5. Present age, we are relating with the present age. Now we have taken present age of Jacob is x. 5 years back he will be x minus 5. The same way 5 years ago Jacob's son's age will be y minus 5. What is the relation? 5 years ago Jacob was 7 times his son. So Jacob's age is equal to 7 times his son's age. So what is the Jacob's age? X minus 5 is equal to 7 into y minus 5. Now again we have to multiply here. X minus y, 7 into y, 7y, 7 into 5, 35, plus into minus, bring x and y to one side, plus 7y ये बाजू गए तो 7y, माइनस 35 ऑलरेडी उस इज इक्वल टू के जो भी है वहाँ ऐसे ही रखने का, उसको चेंज नहीं करने का. तो -5 वहाँ गए तो डोंट राइट -5 -35, क्योंकि पहले जो भी इज इक्वल टू के बाद आती है उसको पहले लिख के लेने का. x माइनस 7y इज इक्वल टू -30 इक्वेशन 2. ओके, अभी हमारा 2 है. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज x minus 3y is equal to 10. This is the first equation. So bringing equation 1 in x form, मैं x form में लेती हूँ. तो x is equal to 10 plus 3y, ये यहाँ चले जाएगी, ये इक्वेशन 3. So putting the value of x in equation 2, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को लिए हम लोग. तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन क्या है हमारा? x माइनस 7y इज इक्वल टू -30. ओके, नाउ x कितना है? a है, तो x की प्लेस में हमको लेने का 10 प्लस 3y minus 7y is equal to -30. 10 minus 4y is equal to -30. -4y is equal to -30. ये 10 ये बाजू गए तो -10. -4y is equal to -40. Both the sides minus sign is there, so plus हो जाएगी. So y is equal to 40 minus 4 is equal to 10. So we have taken now putting value of y in equation 3. What is equation 3? Equation 3 is x is equal to 10 plus 3y. 10 plus 3y. तो x is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10, x is equal to 10 plus 30, x is equal to 40. Therefore, x for this age, present age 40, x we have taken as Jacob's present age. Therefore, Jacob's present age we have taken as x is equal to 40. Okay. Jacob's son's present age is equal to y is equal to 10. Okay, with this we have completed 3.3 exercise. Thank you.